If you're building beautiful food safe projects or even just trying to maintain the ones that you have and it always ends up looking dry, gray, and dull after a couple of washes, you're just using the wrong finish. My absolute favorite is RMP's Half and Half. This is pure tongue oil mixed with either a natural pine or citrus solvent. Now pay attention to that last part. A lot of hardware store brands use toxic chemicals to make their tongue oil dry faster. To apply it, you can use a brush, rag, roller, or even a sprayer. You flood the board with enough oil to make the whole thing wet and then let it soak for about 40 minutes. If the wood drinks it all up, then apply another coat. You want to repeat this process until you see a light puddle sitting on the surface. That tells you the wood is completely saturated and can't absorb any more oil. Finally, take a clean cloth and wipe off all the excess until the board feels completely dry to the touch. You can wait 24 hours and do 1 to 2 more coats. They also make such a beautiful dark half and half if you want a beautiful naturally antique finish. Whichever finish you choose, the water is going to bead right off. Go build something awesome.